If you have a 9-to-5 job, let me ask you a question. Do you hate the fact that somebody else tells you when you need to come into work? Do you hate the fact that somebody else tells you what days you need to work? And do you absolutely hate the fact that somebody else is ultimately the one to decide how much you make? If you do, then I have a solution for you. There is a simple way to make money online, and the best part is you can do this on the side. Yes, that means you can work your 9-to-5 job and you can do this simple online business on the side in your free time. It's very easy, anybody can do it. And one of the things that I personally love about this business is you can make more from doing this side hustle than most people make in their 9-to-5 job. Now, I want to show you what you need. First off, you need a smartphone. It doesn't have to be the latest and greatest smartphone, doesn't need to be an iPhone, doesn't need to be the Samsung Galaxy. A smartphone is a smartphone, it will work. The next thing you need is $10. If you have $10, you can do this. It's a very simple business, and I'm going to show you how you do it in just a second. So now, let me explain exactly how this works. I'm going to draw it out for you so that you can easily understand. So let me do that. So here we go. This is what you need to do. Let me explain. It's very simple, all right? First off, you're going to buy an item. That item, okay? That item is going to cost you about $10, okay? Very simple. It's very easy math. Hopefully you can follow me. Again, very simple. First off, you buy an item for $10. You go and you list it on a website called eBay, okay? Now, here's the cool thing about this is you're going to do this. You're only going to buy one item the first week and you'll make your money back, all right? Now, next thing you're going to do is you're going to wait for somebody to buy that item from you. It's very easy. You just list it and you wait. This is free. It doesn't cost you any money, okay? This doesn't cost you any money to list an item on eBay. That's why I really like it. It costs you money when it sells, but not when you list it. Now, next thing you're going to do, when the person buys it, next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your item that costs you $10 and you're going to put it in a box. This is going to cost you about, say, $15, okay? $15 is what that's going to cost you. Now, here's what you need to know. When that item costs you $15, when you ship it to the customer, then you're going to end up making money when it gets to the end customer, okay? Right here. Now, let me explain a little bit more. Now I know what you're thinking. That's great, but I don't have anything of value. But you do. Let me show you this, all right? It's very simple. Look at this right here. Right here, you can see this is a VCR DVD combo, okay? So right here, these are the items that have sold on eBay recently. This sold on September 13th. This sold September 13th. September 13th, September 13th, 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 and the list goes on and on. All these have sold on September 13th. Okay, all these sold yesterday, last night. Now, why am I showing you this? I'm showing you this because you can easily buy these. I'm going to explain where to buy these at the end of this video, so make sure you stick around. You can easily buy these for $5 to $10 over and over again. So you buy this one, let's say for $10. It sells for $34.99. $13 shipping, let's say $14 shipping, so we're going to make about $49. Costs you $10, that brings us to $39. $15 in shipping, that brings you down to $24. Let's say $5 in fees for eBay and stuff, so you're going to be making about $20 off this item. Look at this. This one sold for $250 plus $60 shipping. Okay, this one right here sold for another $239. Let's say you got an older one. Look at this one. This Panasonic. $55 is what it sold for, and $35 shipping. Let's keep going down. $80 for this one, and $64.90 for shipping. Let's keep going down. $45 for the Zenith. $45 is what it sold for, and $29.95. And look, has no remote. This is why this is an incredible business, because you can make a lot of money from things like this, and it's very easy to find them. All you gotta do, get out there and go and look. So now let me explain the math. Once you understand the math, you're gonna see how simple this is. You can make a lot of money. First off, look at this, okay? You buy it, okay, buy, it's supposed to be a U, for $10. Okay, so you buy it for $10. Next thing you do, you go and you sell it for, let's say you sell it for a measly 60 bucks, right? $60, right? So now you got that, you got shipping, and it costs you $15, right? Still not bad. And then on top of that, you got your eBay fees. Okay, I'm not sure exactly what that is, but I know what the profit would be, because I already did the math, is $27.50 for one of those items. Now, here's the cool thing. If you sell, let's say, sell one first week equals $27.50. Okay, now if you got $27.50 after 1 week, you can now go and buy, let's say, 3. Okay, so now you go and buy 3. So that, if you sell 3, they're going to take about a week. Okay, in most cases, anytime I sell these, it takes me about a week to get rid of them. So I sell 3 in the second week, and I'm going to make $82.50. The next week, because now I have $82.50, I can go buy stuff. It costs me $10. I can go and buy 8. So now I can sell 8 in the third week, and now I'm going to make $220. And now I have $220. It costs 10 each. I would end up being able to sell and get 10 or 22. So I sell 22 the fourth week, so within 1 month, and I'm going to make $605. Okay, $605. That's really good. Okay, that's really good in 1 week. In 1 week's time. Remember, I bought this week 3, sold it week 4. That's an incredible way to make money. Most people are not looking at it this way. Most people are thinking, it's too much work. Where am I going to find this stuff? Well, let me explain exactly where you can find these items. Now, what I want you to understand is the more that you can buy, presumably, the more money you could potentially make. That is why this side hustle is so simple. I don't know why more people don't do it. This item, a VHS DVD combo, is so easy to find. Now, here is where I recommend, and these are places that I go to find this exact same item. And trust me, the majority of the times, I do not get a remote with them. So the first place I look is thrift stores. Thrift stores have these every single time I walk in. I guarantee if I go into a thrift store, I'm walking out with one of these items. Second place is a yard sale. Yard sales are very hit and miss. However, the nice thing about a yard sale is you can pay a lot less than $10. If you don't want to spend your $10 on one item, you don't have to. In most cases, you can get one of these for anywhere between $1 to $2. Another place that I absolutely love is Facebook Marketplace, because there's always stuff there, and you can look and see what is around you without ever having to leave your home. And the fourth place, which is probably one of the most profitable, because they always have additional items, not just a VHS DVD combo, but they have other electronics as well, is a pawn shop. I absolutely love going into pawn shops because I can make a killing on every single store that I walk into. So there you have it. That is one of the easiest side hustles you can do that nobody's talking about. Nobody's talking about this because it's so simple. Don't go and complicate the process. Go and buy one item. One item that you know, that you can test, that you can prove is worth it, and sell it. It's so simple. I don't know why more people are not doing this. Now, being that I'm telling you about this, and the reason why I'm telling you this is because there's a lot of people that just because they have the information, they know what they can go and buy, what it will sell for, and how much they can make, the majority of people will not, I repeat, will not go through any of this. They do not care, and they will not do the work. So that's why it's a good business for all of us. Now, if you have any questions along the way, all you gotta do, go ahead, comment down in the comment section below. I will help you out the best that I can. But just want to thank you guys for watching this video on how you can easily make money using this side hustle that nobody's talking about. But again, thanks for watching. Do me a favor, go ahead, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.